Golden Gate Sotheby's International Realty welcomes you to 6 Friars Lane, Woodside. This exceptional, remodeled, 4-bedroom, 4-bath home with a 3-car garage sits on 3 usable acres. This is an amazing view property where indoor-outdoor living is front and center. I'm Kim Hansen, and I'm excited to show you around. The large heated pool and spa are connected to the home by custom handcrafted decks. Views of the San Francisco Bay surround the pool, which is set on a resort-like pebble deck, ready for your largest or most intimate gathering. This exclusive cul-de-sac setting provides spectacular views, trail and biking access, yet is only minutes from downtown Woodside. I'm Kim Hansen, and I look forward to hearing from you for a private tour of this remarkable property.